Hi guys, welcome to day 9. Today I'm going to tell you about the energies that are invisible. So yesterday we talked about the energy line that are within the body, but there's also like no separation between within and without. So there are those energies that are flowing in a certain directions around us. And here is something interesting. In the winter, the overall idea is that we want to shut down, we want to go within, we want to a little bit like withdraw and go into a rest period. So think of this, and you wanting to do this, what does the energy do? It comes from behind you and goes above you, right, in that direction. Okay? But in the spring, we want to reopen that energy. So we want the energy to come from the front and then to the back. So what I'm going to suggest today is 2 little exercises. One is to release and let go of the energy of withdrawal and rest and shutting down. And the other part, the second part, will be to reopen the energy so the energy flows this way. Okay, so first to release the stagnation and also the tension that has sometimes accumulated in the fascia inside all of our parts of the body. We want to do something that's gonna free up this, kind of break the stagnation. So one way to do this is very simple. You're gonna bend your knees slightly. And then what you're gonna be doing is basically gonna let the gravity take your body moving forward, folding forward, and you're gonna hang all your weight down. Okay? So let's do it together. Take a deep breath in, and then bend your knee and just let yourself naturally just fall down. It's nearly like you're letting the body dictate, the weight dictates the movement. So simply after 3 or 4 breaths in that position, this was the release of the stagnating energy. Now we want to do a movement to guide the energy in the other direction. We're opening ourselves to the new beautiful energies of spring. So for this one, quite simply, you're going to interlace your fingers at the back behind you. And you are simply going to, again, you can keep your knees bent. You are simply going to open the chest, lean slightly forward. Make sure that you are guiding your shoulders back as well. So it's all about a gentle opening and inviting of this new energy. So you can lift the chin a little bit as well. And just letting the energies of spring getting in. I'm very lucky right now. I have the sun right into my face. I'm actually gonna move slightly so that I can also, if you can do this also at home, to do this when the sun is shining upon you. Beautiful time to say some gratitude, give some gratitude to Father Sun. And just enjoying the new energy, the new movement of energy coming from the earth, everything that's growing now towards us. Rather than putting us in a state of stagnation, we are asking to be put in a state of alertness, awakeness, and just ready to enjoy this beautiful season of spring. So that's it. You can do this anytime. And a very simple reset of the energies, making sure that your energy are in the right place for the spring. Enjoy, take care, I'll see you tomorrow.